In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more views on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, there are key strategies you can implement to enhance the visibility of your listings and attract more potential buyers. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about optimizing your listing title. This is the first thing potential buyers will see, so it's crucial to make it both eye-catching and informative. Use clear and searchable keywords. For instance, instead of a generic title like nice chair, opt for something more specific like wooden office chair with cushion, like new. This way, buyers can immediately grasp what you're selling. Keep it short but descriptive. The right combination will attract the right audience quickly. Next, the importance of using high-quality photos cannot be overstated. Aim for bright, clear photos taken in natural light, as these tend to showcase your items better than dimly lit or overly edited pictures. Show your item from multiple angles, front, back, sides, and close-ups of details. This comprehensive view gives buyers a better understanding of what they're getting. Also, avoid cluttered backgrounds. A clean setting can significantly impact how your listing is perceived, often resulting in more clicks. Moving on to writing a detailed description, this is where you want to include as much relevant information as possible. Factors such as brand, size, condition, and key features should be covered. Think about how or where the item can be used and incorporate that into your description. For example, say something like perfect for home office or study corner to spark the interest of potential buyers. And remember to include keywords that your target buyers might search for to boost visibility in searches. Pricing strategically is another factor to consider. Start by researching similar items on Marketplace to set a competitive price. If you're looking for a quick sale, pricing slightly below the average can be effective. Adding negotiable to the price can also open the door to more interest and clicks as people appreciate the opportunity to negotiate. Timing your post can make a significant difference. Generally, evenings between 7 to 10 p.m. and weekends are when buyers are most active. Stay ahead by reposting your item every few days if it doesn't receive immediate attention. This will push it back to the top of listings. Engagement is key, so respond to inquiries as promptly as possible. Sellers who actively respond often receive priority in search visibility. Set up auto replies for frequently asked questions such as confirming the availability of an item. Finally, leverage other platforms by sharing your listing beyond Marketplace. Consider promoting it in local buy and sell groups as well as on your own Facebook profile. Friends might tag others who are interested. If you've got a high value or competitive item, consider using Facebook ads as an option to boost your listing. A targeted ad can reach potential buyers in your local area, increasing your chances of a swift and successful sale. Putting these tips into practice will help you draw more eyes to your listings and ultimately boost your sales on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for joining me today and happy selling!